As a parent of a new college student, one of the biggest challenges is letting go. If you've been an involved parent all along from preschool on, you've had back to school night, parent-teacher conferences, you've gotten that weekly folder or the email that kind of tells you blow by blow how your kid's doing and, oh, your kid's tardy and your child wasn't in class today. That pipeline of information, it just stops. So I think you need to realize that you have hopefully given your student all the skills that he or she needs to be successful without you micromanaging their lives.
Letting them go. I've tried my best not to be a helicopter parent. But I do want to know everything that goes on. Let me know if you need help with anything. And it's kind of difficult to say, all right, think this through. What are you going to do about it?
I think as a parent, when things get tough on them, you want to fix it. And it's more of letting them learn to be an adult. They're in college. You've set the foundation. Now it's time to let them learn how to fly. And so we wouldn't turn away from her if she needed help, but we wouldn't fix it. So we'd give her the tools and here's the people to talk to, but take that and go and you can do it. And we would just help her, here's how you have those conversations, but we wouldn't do them for her.
It's been hard not to step in and solve the problem for them. You have to be very careful that you ask them the pointed questions and let them solve their own problems on the way. You can't step in, otherwise you interrupt their ability to learn. There is a story that goes, if a butterfly is trying to hatch itself out of its chrysalis, that you shouldn't help it because it will not fly correctly if you've done the work with them. And that same concept applies to your children. You can be there to watch and be there to listen and be there to guide them, but you can't do those things for them. You have to let go and watch and let them trip and let them fall and let them fail, because it will make them stronger, more resilient, and it will make them a better person in life. And so letting go is the hardest thing that you can do.